Hey guys, Patrick Dominique, Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at 565 Governor Truett Circle in Pooler Parkway. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with 1,933 square feet, offered at $315,000. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the front of the home, and here's the townhouses that it's connected to. This one is still for sale. The other one at the end there is already sold. This one right next to it is under contract. So here's the neighborhood. Let's check it out. All right, a nice townhome, 315, 1,933 square feet. That's pretty good. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You see when you walk right into the door. Look at that. It opens up wide open to the living room. So a lot of times I see with floor plans like this, you got your kitchen right there, and then right here they put their long dining room table, and then in here they've set up their living room area. I know when it's empty, it's kind of hard to envision, but I'll tell you, that's how I normally see it. They got a lot of little accents going along right there. Here's your half bath right here. I love that. And the primary bedroom on the bottom floor, so that's pretty awesome. King size bed, no problem. Right there. And then come into this awesome bathroom, granite countertops once again. Shower tub combo. There's obviously your toilet, linen closet, and then nice size walk-in closet. So that's pretty cool. Let's go upstairs. All right, we left downstairs. Now we're upstairs. I'm just gonna go take a right up the stairs. Come to this room. This room could put a queen there if you wanted to, or a king this way if you wanted to. It could fit either way, however you like it. Nice size room, plenty of space. You can get this closet here, walk-in closet. Kaboom. What I like about this one as opposed to the interior units is, you'll see, we'll come up on it. This one kind of same thing. You can put a king right here or a queen over there. King right here would probably be better. But so this has got a lot of space in it right here, as you can see. Nice closet right here. Boom. And let's go down here. This is my favorite part. Or actually, not yet. Almost. We're almost there. There's granite countertops. This is a bathroom for everybody upstairs. Here's linen closet. Boom. Shower tub combo. And then we'll come down here to everybody's favorite part. So you come around here, you look, okay, look at that. Boom! Look at that. Extra loft space. Give 2 living rooms. You have one downstairs, one upstairs if you want. Laundry room's right here. Heck, you put a microwave up here, you might never have to go downstairs, depending on your situation. I don't want to, talk for anybody, but just like, yeah, so pretty cool spot. Leaving the kitchen, living room area, going up to the back. All right, you see your yard goes all the way up to where the grass ends right there. But once again, you can fence it out further than it already is. You can probably put it, looks like another panel. Got to be approved by the HOA, but yeah, there's backyard, pretty decent sized yard. So that's 565 Governor Truett Circle in Pooler, Georgia. If you have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.